This question says a ball hits the floor and rebounds after inelastic collision. In this case, now a ball hits the floor and rebounds after inelastic collision. In this case, the moment of the ball just before the collision is same as that just after the collision is same as that just before the collision. Now the mechanical energy of the ball remains the same in the collision. The total moment of the ball and the earth is conserved. The total energy of the ball and the earth is conserved. So what is happening? It's a inelastic collision. Of course, we can't see the motion of earth. It hits. So if it is inelastic collision, there is a loss of energy associated with, let's say it hits with a speed u, it rebounds with v. I can definitely say v is less than u. So the momentum of the ball just before the collision and after the collision is not same. But what we know is if I take the total momentum of the system, earth plus ball system, there is no external force acting on the system. If no external force acts on the system, so what can I say? Then total momentum of the system is conserved. Total momentum of system is conserved, right? So if total momentum of system is conserved, what is the total moment of the system? Momentum of earth and ball. So the total momentum of ball and earth is conserved. So answer for this question would be C. Hope you could follow this. Thank you very much.